There's a girl, I recognize her curly hair, but not the guy that she's walking next to. And suddenly I start to see that you and me are done. How do I know my time is up when he's taking over? Why do I feel this much right now? Cause he's taking over. I've never bothered me this much, but he's taking over. I guess that I need you by my side. I wish I told you when I still had the chance, but I was too young to feel what's in the air. Yeah. Now sunny Sunday turned to Monday when I saw his arms around your waist and eyes overall. And suddenly I start to see that you and me are gone. My time is up when he's taking over. Why do I feel this much right now? Cause he's taking over. Love's never bothered me this much, but he's taking over. I guess that I need you by my side. In this case, we cannot have it both ways. Oh no, 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 no. But I'm too late. Back then I didn't notice that I was in love with you. I know my time is up when he's taking over. I feel this much right now. Because he's taking over. Nothing bothers me this much. I need you by my side.
The sky is blue, the sun is high. Sitting here on my own. I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn. Maybe I should take a stroll. And to me that's alright. To me, that's alright. I spend my days just dreaming about you. Well, now that's just what I will do. I'm telling you, the sky is blue, the sun is high. I'm sitting here on my own. I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn. Maybe I should take a stroll. And to me that's alright.
Just straight, all together, straight to the left.
Then baby hold me tight and send me off with the words of a lullaby. With the words of a lullaby. Send me off with the words of a lullaby. I've been trying to make sense of it all, looking for signs in the stars, but it's been right in front of me this whole time. Can't believe I didn't see the light. Count to 10, then open up my eyes. If you're gone, I'll take it as a sign. But if you stay, then baby hold me tight and send me off with the words of a lullaby. Send me off with the words of a lullaby. If I never see if I never see the light, I wouldn't care 'cause I'm so perfect, right? I'll count to 10, then open up my eyes. If you're gone, I'll take it as a sign. But if you stay, then baby hold me tight and send me off with the words of a lullaby. With the words of a lullaby. Send me off with the words of a lullaby.
Sorry, sorry. Romance.
No hubiera pensado que yo me iba a enamorar jamás. No quería saber nada más, nunca más. Pero vos apareciste de repente y me hablaste con una voz tan dulce que perdí la razón y mi corazón. Ay, amor, no te preocupes, que yo siempre he de quererte, de amarte y admirarte. Ay, amor, no te preocupes, lo que siento yo por vos es cada vez más fuerte. Yo pensaba que esto del amor ya se me había pasado y que no era para mí nunca más. Pero el amor llega así, de esa manera, cuando uno menos se lo espera. Se abrió la puerta y sin pensar dejas entrar el amor. No te preocupes, que yo siempre he de quererte, de amarte y admirarte. Ay, amor, no te preocupes, lo que siento yo por vos es cada vez más fuerte. Ahora todo tiene sentido,
Esto es lo mejor que he vivido, por si no lo has comprendido.